The secret power of eye contact psychology explained introduction. There are moments in life when words fall short, yet a single look carries the weight of 1,000 unspoken truths. Eye contact, often overlooked in our fast-paced world, has the power to connect souls, to inspire trust, to spark intimacy, and to command respect. For many, it feels like a fleeting gesture, a second of locked eyes before retreating into the safety of distraction. But for those who understand its deeper psychology, eye contact becomes a language of its own, silent, yet profoundly powerful today. Let's explore this secret power of eye contact. We'll uncover why it affects us so deeply, what science reveals about this silent form of communication, how cultural and emotional contexts shape it, and most importantly, how you can use it in your daily life to build confidence, strengthen relationships, and live with greater presence. Asterisk 1. Why eye contact matters more than we think from the moment we are born. Our eyes become our first bridge to human connection. A baby gazes into the eyes of their parents long before they understand spoken language. That gaze fosters safety, belonging, and love. Even in adulthood, that primal need remains. Psychologists have found that eye contact activates areas of the brain linked to social bonding, empathy, and trust. When someone looks into your eyes with sincerity, you feel acknowledged, seen, and valued. Conversely, when eye contact is missing, conversations feel shallow, distant, or incomplete. This is why leaders, great speakers, and charismatic individuals often master the art of holding steady, intentional eye contact. It is not just about seeing, it is about making another person feel truly seen. But here's the deeper truth. Eye contact is not only about others, it is also about you. Avoiding eye contact often reveals inner insecurity, anxiety, or fear of judgment. Learning to hold eye contact helps rewire your confidence from the inside out. Asterisk 2. The psychology behind eye contact. Why does a simple glance feel so powerful? Science provides some fascinating answers. The social bonding effect. Eye contact increases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, which creates a sense of closeness. That's why couples in love often lose themselves in each other's gaze. The trust signal. Humans instinctively associate steady eye contact with honesty. When someone avoids your gaze too often, you subconsciously question their intentions. The dominance dynamic. Prolonged eye contact can signal confidence and authority. Leaders often use it to command respect, while avoiding it can signal submission or uncertainty. The emotional mirror. Eyes reflect emotional states: fear, joy, sadness, attraction. They act as a mirror of the soul, often revealing more than words dare to admit. In essence, eye contact is not just a glance. It is an emotional handshake. It tells the other person, I am here with you, fully present. Asterisk 3. Why many people avoid eye contact despite its importance. Many people, especially adults over 25, juggling careers, relationships, and societal pressures, find eye contact uncomfortable. Why? Fear of judgment. Looking directly into someone's eyes feels vulnerable, as if they might see your flaws or insecurities. Social anxiety. For those who struggle with shyness, eye contact triggers a fight-or-flight response. Digital disconnection. With technology dominating our interactions, face-to-face connection feels less natural. Screens have replaced eyes, leaving us unpracticed in the art of presence. Cultural conditioning. In some cultures, prolonged eye contact is considered disrespectful, making people hesitant even in contexts where it is welcomed. Understanding these barriers is the first step. If you struggle with eye contact, know that it is not a flaw. It is a habit you can retrain. Gently and intentionally. Asterisk 4. The healing power of eye contact in relationships. Think of the last time you truly felt connected to someone. Chances are, it wasn't just their words that moved you. It was the way they looked at you. Eye contact can heal emotional distance in relationships. Couples who practice eye gazing, looking into each other's eyes for even 2 minutes, often report feeling a renewed sense of intimacy. Parents who hold eye contact with their children while speaking foster deeper trust and understanding. Even in friendships, eye contact makes people feel valued and included. But the power of eye contact goes beyond intimacy. It also helps resolve conflict. In heated arguments, steady but gentle eye contact communicates that you are listening, not just reacting. It lowers defensiveness and opens the door to empathy. *5. Eye contact and personal. Confidence. One of the most transformative benefits of practicing eye contact is the boost it gives to self-confidence. When you meet someone's eyes without flinching, you send your brain the message, "I am enough. I belong here." Practical steps to build this habit at home. Mirror exercise. Look into your own eyes in the mirror for 1 to 2 minutes daily. At first, it may feel awkward, but over time you'll learn to face yourself with acceptance. Start small. When speaking with family or friends, practice holding eye contact for just 3 to 5 seconds before looking away. Gradually increase the duration. Mindful pauses. Instead of rushing through conversations, pause and look at the other person as they speak. Let your eyes communicate attention and presence. Eye gazing practice. With a partner or friend, try silent eye contact for 2 to 3 minutes. You'll be surprised at the emotional depth it creates. 6. Eye contact and professional success in the workplace. Eye contact is often the hidden key to influence and respect. Imagine walking into a meeting and delivering your ideas with strong, steady eye contact. Your words may be the same, but the impact will be entirely different. Interviews. Recruiters consistently report that eye contact is one of the strongest indicators of confidence and credibility. Leadership. Leaders who look their team in the eyes inspire trust and loyalty. Networking. When meeting new people, eye contact makes you memorable. It signals openness and authenticity, while avoiding it creates doubt. By strengthening your eye contact, you strengthen your presence, and presence is what makes people listen, remember, and respect you. *7. The spiritual dimension of eye contact. Beyond science and psychology, there is something sacred about looking into another's eyes.
Right.
Many spiritual traditions speak of the eyes as the windows to the soul. To gaze deeply into someone's eyes is to acknowledge their humanity, their vulnerability, and their essence. In meditation practices, people often use eye gazing as a form of silent prayer or mindfulness. It dissolves the barriers of ego and reminds us of our shared humanity. Eye contact, in its purest form, not just communication, it is communion. *8. Practical tips to use eye contact at home. You don't need to be on a stage, in a meeting, or in a relationship seminar to practice this skill. Here are simple ways you can integrate eye contact into your everyday life when greeting your spouse or children after a long day. Pause and look into their eyes before speaking. During dinner conversations, put your phone aside and maintain natural, relaxed eye contact. If you live alone, practice eye contact in the mirror daily to strengthen your self-connection. The next time you speak to a neighbor, cashier, or stranger, make a point to hold eye contact long enough to communicate kindness and respect. These small, consistent acts retrain your brain and heart to engage with the world more fully. *9. The transformation that follows once you begin practicing intentional eye contact. You'll notice changes. Your conversations feel richer and more meaningful. People respond to you with more warmth and trust. You feel more grounded, confident, and present in daily life. Relationships, whether romantic, familial, or professional, deepen naturally. The beauty of eye contact is that it requires no words, no money, no grand gestures, only courage, presence, and sincerity. Conclusion: awaken the power within your gaze. Eye contact is a silent language, yet it speaks louder than words. It reveals confidence without arrogance, compassion without weakness, and presence without effort. in a world distracted by screens, noise, and endless demands. The ability to truly look at another person has become rare and therefore priceless. If you wish to transform your confidence, deepen your relationships, and connect with life at a more authentic level, start with something as simple as your eyes. Look at yourself. Look at others. Look with sincerity, presence, and openness. Because sometimes the greatest transformation begins not with what you say, but with how deeply you see. And if this message resonated with you, I invite you to support Awaken Mindset. Subscribe to the channel, explore our playlists, and continue this journey with us. Together, we'll uncover not just the psychology of the mind, but the wisdom of the soul.